Yes, good morning to all. Today we will discuss our chapter number 17, The Revolt of 1857. Okay, first is introduction. The revolt of 1857 was an attempt to represent the anger in the hearts of various sections of the society, Indian society. It was the first attempt by the Indian to show their anger that is in their heart for the British. And this revolt was also known as Spoy Munity or the revolt or the first war of independence. What is the meaning of spoy? Spoy the soldiers, the Indian soldier that that are serving for the British government, those who are working for the British government. And Munity means revolt. It was called the Spoy Revolt. We can also say it's the first war of the independence because this was the first attempt by the Indians against the British. This revolt was started by the Indian soldiers in the service of East India Company. The Indian soldiers were working under the East India Company, and but soon it spread all over the country. But this revolt was spread in all over the country soon. Millions of people and the soldiers fought bravely and sacrificed their lives. Next is reason behind the revolt of 1857. What were the reason behind the revolt? British were exploiting the Indian economy. They are buy the raw material at a very low price and sell their ready-made goods at a very high price. And the second is doctrine of lapse. What is doctrine of lapse? If the king has no son, then his kingdom was taken over directly by the British. And the cartridges of revolt were greased with cows and pig's fat. That is against most of the soldiers were Hindu, so they use refused to use these kinds of rifles. Next is beginning of the revolt. The revolt started at Barakpur on the 29th March 1857. It was started in Barakpur, and the young named soldiers named Mangal Pandey shoot his sergeant major on the parade ground. A young soldier named Mangal Pandey shooted a sergeant major on a parade ground, and the Mangal Pandey was later arrested and hanged. He was later arrested and hanged. After some time of Mangal Pandey incident, after this incident, some soldier in the Meerut refused to obey orders to handle the new cartridges that are greased with animal fat. They refused to uh, use these kinds of cartridges and mm, yes, they refused to use these kinds of cartridges, and then these soldiers were sent into jail. Those soldiers who refuse to use that kind of rifle, they will send into the jail. But in vain, soldiers went into the jail. Those who are not arrested, that other Indian soldier went to the jail, and God released their companions. Okay, and they also killed some British officer. They also killed some British officer there. Soon the revolt was spread over a large part of northern and central India. Okay, and the Delhi, Kanpur, Jhansi, Gwalior, and some other kingdoms of the country fought openly against the British rule. These are the main kingdoms that are against the British rule. Nana Sahib Tante Tope Kanwar Singh and the Rani Lakshmi Bai were the famous fighters that led the revolt in different parts of the country. These are the names of some main leaders. Okay. Next, we will learn about the failure of the revolt. What were the failure of why this revolt was failed. In this revolt, the British won. In this revolt, the revolt was failed due to lack of planning. There was no planning, organization, and leadership. The revolt was not under one leader. The movement was also lacking. The movement was also lacking of a leader on the top. There was not only one leader on the top who could lead the people. Okay, some Indian ruler helped the British government to suppress this revolt. Some Indian rulers were also with the British. That's why British won this battle. And now the result of the revolt, what were the result of the revolt? How the British crushed this revolt. चाहे British ने they crushed this इस revolt को खत्म कर दिया. But Indian history experienced a lot of changes after the revolt. What are these changes? First is end of East India Company. East India Company was ended, and the rule of India was under the British government directly took over the rule of India, and the British appointed a viceroy to rule over India. Viceroy was the person who will be handle all kinds of activities in India. So, due to this revolt, the British also changed their policy. The British changed their many policies. The doctrine of lapse was taken back. This policy was ended after this revolt. A rise of nationalism among the Indians. It created a feeling of nationalism among the Indians. Okay, now we will learn more about this chapter through the extra marks. And student, you will learn what were the result. It was a very good response for the Indian, whether they have lose this revolt. Okay, now we will learn more about this chapter through the.
There is a threshold for everything, and by 1857, the hospitality with which Indians had once welcomed the British traders gave way to frustration and anger. In order to load a cartridge into Lee Enfield rifle, the soldiers were required to bite off the ends of the cartridge. These cartridges were rumored to have been greased with the fat of cows and pigs. The soldiers refused to use these cartridges. The consequences were dire. The soldiers were threatened and forced to use the cartridges. The anger and frustration against British grew so much that the Indian soldiers revolted against their British officers. They became united as Indians and forgot all about being Hindus or Muslims. On 29th of March 1857, Mangal Pandey, an Indian soldier in the British Army, attacked a British soldier. The brave soldier was hanged on 8th April 1857. The hanging of Mangal Pandey added fuel to the fire. The revolt against the British rule spread, and on 10th of May 1857, Indian soldiers in Meerut shot down their British officers and took over Meerut. From Meerut, these revolting soldiers marched to Delhi and persuaded the last Mughal emperor. Brave leaders like Tantia Tope, Nana Sahib, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and Liaquat Ali led the revolt in different parts of India. However, the British had great military strength and superior weapons. Many Indians were on the side of the British. The First War of Independence was finally crushed. The revolt of 1857 alarmed the British, and they decided to take India under direct control. The Crown Rule or the British Raj was instituted in 1858. The rule of the British East India Company was transferred to the Crown in the person of Queen Victoria, who in 1876 was proclaimed Empress of India. Did you know? While it was the first war of independence for Indians, British colonizers considered it as the Mutiny of Sepoys. Though the revolt of 1857 failed, but it made Indians realize the injustice of the British, the power of unity. The journey had begun, and the next 100 years saw the decline of the British Raj and the rise of the independence movement. Today, we went over a very important period of Indian history. Keep reading and learning until we meet again.
Okay, students, I hope you understood that chapter. And thank you and have a very nice day.